Hi people, in previous video we have seen creating variables using it in Python. In today's video we are going to see Python casting. So first of all we will see the int type casting. It will construct an integer number from integer, float or a string literal. Let's see with example. So let's create a new file, Python file. So let's declare a variable a. So we know that the variable type here is int, but still we will see the type of a. Let's run this file. So yeah, so it's a int type, class is int. Okay, so now we will create a variable, a float variable 20.0, and we will convert this float variable into int type. So we will typecast here. Let's run the program. So the type of b is float. So let's convert it into integer type. We'll simply remove type and we'll put int here. Okay, so we have converted it into int type. So here the output is 20. We have converted it into int type. Let's take one string and we'll see if we can convert it into int type. Let's run the program. So we got error as value error, invalid literal for int with base 10 string. So we cannot convert a string into a int type. Only the string should be a numerical value. So if I put here 20 or 30 into a string, and now if I convert it into int type, so let's see if we get the same error or not. Okay, so we did not get any error because it a numerical type string. So it was typecasting into int type. Let's see for float type. Okay, so the float constructor, let's see the float constructor. It will construct a float number from integer, float or a string literal. So let's see it into the PyCharm. We have variable 10 as an integer. Let's convert it into float type. Print float of a. Let's run the program. Okay, so we get 10.0, that we have converted our integer a into float type, and we got 10.0 as our float value. Now let's see if we can convert a string into a float variable. So we have a string as a c is equal to 30. Let's convert it into float type. So yes, we are able to convert it into a float type. Let's see if we can convert a character string into a float type. So I will be writing a character string here, and will run the program now. So we got that error, that invalid retrieval for with base 10 string value. So we cannot convert. Okay, so it was here. Let's see now. So we got the same error for a float as we got earlier for int type. Let's see typecasting for string constructor. So string constructor will convert a variety of data types like strings, integer and float into a string literally. Let's see with example. So we have variables as a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20.0 as a float, and the string as c is equal to string. So let's see if we convert our int type into a string type. Okay. Okay, so we have converted our variable a into a str of a. So we got 10. Let's see if we put a variable c, string variable, into our str of string, then what we will get. Okay, so we are getting string. So yeah, so the string constructor will convert a string type and a float type, also a string type, into a string literal. Let's see for a float variable. So we will convert float here into string. So we get 20.0 as our string literal. So that was all about typecasting in Python. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with such basic of Python videos with uh, you. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.